In recent years, the concept of social credit scores has emerged as a significant topic of discussion, particularly in relation to privacy, trust, and societal norms. A social credit score is essentially a numerical representation of an individual's trustworthiness, derived from their behavior, interactions, and even financial history. This score can influence various aspects of life, from securing loans to gaining access to certain services or opportunities. As we navigate through an increasingly digital world, the relevance of social credit scores has grown immensely. Countries like China have implemented extensive systems that monitor citizens' actions, rewarding positive behavior while penalizing negative actions. This raises important questions about how such systems could be adopted elsewhere and what that means for personal freedoms and privacy. Engaging with this topic is crucial, as the implications of social credit scores could directly impact your daily life. Imagine a scenario where your ability to rent an apartment or get a job hinges on your social credit score. The potential for discrimination and social stratification becomes a pressing concern. Understanding social credit scores is not just about keeping up with trends, it's about being aware of how your actions today could shape your opportunities tomorrow. A social credit score is a system designed to evaluate an individual's trustworthiness based on their behavior and interactions within society. Originating in China, this concept has gained traction as a means to promote good behavior and discourage misconduct. The score is calculated using a variety of data points, including financial history, social interactions, and even online activities. Algorithms analyze this information to assign a numerical value that reflects a person's reliability. China is the most notable example of a country that has implemented a social credit system, with its pilot programs beginning in 2014. The Chinese government uses this system to monitor citizens and businesses, aiming to foster a culture of trust and accountability. Other countries, such as Singapore and the United States, have explored similar concepts, albeit in less comprehensive forms. Several factors can influence social credit scores. For instance, timely payment of bills and loans can boost your score, while negative behaviors like public disturbances or legal issues can lead to penalties. Social media activity, such as the sharing of misinformation or engaging in harmful discussions, may also impact your score. Understanding these elements is essential, as they can significantly affect your opportunities and interactions in society. How social credit scores work. Social credit scoring systems rely on a variety of data sources to generate scores that reflect an individual's behavior and trustworthiness. These data sources can include financial records, social media activity, public records, and even personal interactions. For instance, payment histories for loans, utility bills, and taxes are often scrutinized, while social media posts and interactions can reveal insights into a person's character and social standing. The algorithms used to calculate social credit scores are complex and multifaceted. They analyze the collected data against specific criteria, assigning points for positive behaviors, such as timely payments and community involvement, while deducting points for negative actions, like legal infractions or negative social media engagement. The scoring can vary significantly depending on the weight assigned to different factors, making transparency in the scoring process a critical concern. Both government and private entities play significant roles in monitoring and managing social credit scores. Governments may implement regulations and frameworks to ensure compliance and fairness, while private companies often develop the technology and algorithms used in scoring systems. This collaboration raises important questions about privacy, data security, and the potential for misuse, making it essential for individuals to understand how their actions can influence their social credit scores and, ultimately, their lives. Impacts on daily life. Social credit scores can significantly influence individuals in their everyday lives, presenting both potential benefits and drawbacks. On the positive side, a high social credit score can grant access to various services and rewards. For instance, individuals with favorable scores may find it easier to secure loans, rent apartments, or even gain priority access to public services. Some companies offer discounts or perks to customers with high scores, incentivizing positive behavior and responsible financial management. However, the negative consequences of social credit scores can be quite severe. Individuals with low scores may face restrictions in their daily activities, such as being denied loans, unable to rent housing, or even facing travel bans. These penalties can create a cycle of disadvantage, making it increasingly difficult for those with lower scores to improve their situations. Real-life examples illustrate these impacts vividly. In China, individuals with low social credit scores have reported being barred from booking flights or train tickets, limiting their mobility and opportunities. Additionally, a person who frequently engages in negative online behavior may find themselves ostracized from social circles or facing difficulties in job applications. As social credit systems become more prevalent, understanding their implications on daily life is crucial for navigating a world where trustworthiness is quantified and monitored. Controversies and criticisms. The implementation of social credit systems has sparked significant ethical concerns, particularly regarding privacy issues tied to data collection and surveillance. Many individuals worry about the extent to which their personal information is monitored and analyzed. The constant tracking of behaviors, both online and offline, raises questions about consent and the potential for misuse of sensitive data. This surveillance can create a chilling effect, where individuals feel pressured to conform to societal norms for fear of being penalized. Critics also highlight concerns about fairness and discrimination within social credit systems. The algorithms used to calculate scores can inadvertently perpetuate biases, leading to unequal treatment of certain groups. For example, individuals from marginalized communities may find themselves disproportionately affected by negative scoring due to systemic inequalities. This raises important questions about accountability and the transparency of the criteria used in scoring. Public opinion on social credit systems is mixed, with many expressing resistance to their implementation. Activists and privacy advocates argue that such systems infringe on personal freedoms and can lead to a society where individuals are constantly judged and monitored. Protests and discussions around these issues have gained traction, emphasizing the need for a balanced approach that respects individual rights while promoting accountability. As these systems evolve, ongoing dialogue about their ethical implications remains essential for shaping a fair and just society. Future of social credit scores. As social credit systems continue to evolve, several trends in scoring technology are likely to emerge globally. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning could lead to more sophisticated algorithms that analyze a broader range of data points, potentially increasing the accuracy of scores. However, this also raises concerns about transparency and the potential for algorithmic bias, making it crucial for developers to prioritize ethical considerations in their designs. Different countries may adapt or reject social credit systems based on their cultural values and political climates. While some nations may embrace these systems as a means to enhance social trust and accountability, others may resist them due to concerns over privacy and individual freedoms. For instance, countries with strong democratic traditions may prioritize personal privacy and civil liberties, leading to pushback against intrusive monitoring practices. The implications for personal freedom and societal norms are profound. As social credit systems become more integrated into daily life, individuals may find themselves navigating a landscape where their actions are constantly evaluated and judged. This could foster a culture of conformity, where people feel pressured to align their behavior with societal expectations. Conversely, it could also encourage positive social behaviors and community engagement. Ultimately, the future of social credit scores will depend on the balance between fostering accountability and protecting individual rights, shaping the fabric of society in the years to come. In summary, social credit scores represent a complex and evolving system that evaluates individuals based on their behavior and interactions within society. Understanding these scores is crucial, as they can significantly impact access to services, opportunities, and even personal freedoms. As we've discussed, social credit systems can offer benefits, such as rewards for positive behavior, but they also pose serious ethical concerns, including privacy issues and potential discrimination. It's essential for viewers to reflect on how social credit scores may affect their own lives. Consider how your actions, both online and offline, could influence your score and the opportunities available to you. As these systems become more prevalent, being informed and aware of their implications is vital for navigating a future where trustworthiness is quantified. Together, we can foster a more informed community that engages thoughtfully with the evolving landscape of social credit systems.